flipped it in a double.
Hi beauties, back to the channel for a super quick and easy tutorial about how to wing your eyeliner. Today I'm gonna be using one of my favorite ones from Clinique brand. It's a liquid eyeliner. So go grab your favorite one and let's start. Okay, let's start. There's no a right way to do the eyeliner or to start to do the eyeliner. The way is easier for you, it will be the best one. For example, I have like two ways to start to do my eyeliner. Like once is first doing the liner on the lid, starting from here. Or the other one is just checking where you want to go with your eyeliner, how long you want to go with your eyeliner. Like this way is another one, like tracing the line. You see it? So you can connect them later on everything. Let's start doing it here.
We gon' be hot, hot like steam. I just got the dreams, I know what you mean. It's all funny to the few. I get 50 to my G.
Once I have my eyeliner done here, so then I'm gonna go with the wing that I just already did here, and we're gonna try to connect everything together. From here, you're gonna go as long as you want, or you just can keep it like this, like very short, depending on you. As you can see, this one, it's a little more dramatic because also I'm wearing lashes. If you don't want to wear lashes, so you can just keep it like short.
Cause this shit is real.
I'll go and connect. See, then I'm going to refill everything.
Started out with half and I flipped it in a double.
Okay, I think they look similar. Remember, they don't gonna look the same. They're sisters but not twins. Okay, the most important is that they look pretty similar, as you can see, long enough. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you find this video pretty easy and useful. Keep practicing, stay home, stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, why not drop a like. See you in the next video.
Shit is real. Cause this shit is real.